for the big orange egg.
Ingat mo, Pau. There, okay.
There's one
Nothing
more
upstairs.
down here.
There's one more over here. Did you get it all? Tananan. Ah, Papa, there on. Yay! Very good.
That's that one.
Great job, pal.
Nothing na there?
Anika.
Oh.
That's not
I found
Wow,
some
plenty na si Jek ka.
That's that egg. I
Ah.
found another.
Yes. Oh, wow, plenty na. Where's the jackpot?
I wonder where's the jackpot, Anika. Look for the
You
jackpot.
all remember where's the jackpot?
No, you
I
have to
don't
look for it.
remember.
Big
I have
jackpot.
Alzheimer's. I forgot where I put it. Yeah, it's not upstairs, just down here.
Did you look for?
Opo. Did you look in the plants, Pau?
I looked in
Wow, Jack got one inside the shoe. Wow, Jack got one.
Put.
There in the plant.
Si Pao nakailan?
Konti pa lang eh.
Oh, yun lang. Plan.
Did you check in the plants? Did you check in the plants?
Galing mo gina.
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Where?
There, Pau. There, Pau. Check there in your toys. Check. It's the big orange one. Ay, Pau. Papa got the jackpot.
Where did you get it?
Inside his pants.
You found it. It's okay, you have a lot.
Okay. Opening. Oh, you count how many you got?
They said I have the most.
Yes, you got the most.
Count this one. Over here.
You count if there's 38. There are 38 if it's complete.
You have 38 eggs. How many do you get? 3.
Papa, you count how many. Put back all those toys.
Alright. Bibilangan pa namin yan.
Bilangin ko kay Jack, dapat 38 yan. Baka may hindi pa nahanap. Oh, there's one more?
No.
Ah, okay.
That's why.